In this video, I will show you how to graph secant and cosecant functions in a graphing calculator. For number 1, f of x equals negative 30 secant 4 times x minus 5 plus 65. This x is in degree. First of all, we will get a period that is 360 degree divided by 4. That is 90 degree. So for x minimum, we will put negative p, which means negative 90 degree. For x maximum, is a positive p, is a positive 90 degree. For x scale, normally we will put a period over 4. So you will get 90 degree over 4. For y minimum, y maximum, let's look at this 65 and 30. 65 plus 30 equals 95. We multiply by 10 because we will have a asymptote line. For y minimum, we will do negative 950. For y maximum, we will do 950. Then for the scale, you can use this y maximum divided by 10. You will get 95. Let's round into 100. Since for your graphing calculator, we don't have a secant, so this one, you will get negative 30 times 1 over cosine 4 x minus 5, then plus 65. For this cosine 4 times x minus 5, we will set up as y1. So for the y2, you will get negative 30 times 1 over y1, then plus 65. Let's go to graphing calculator. First of all, clear the memory. Second plus 712. Make sure the mode, this is a degree. Y equals cosine 4 times x minus 5. Then for the y2, you will get negative 30 times 1 divided by y1. So alpha trace y1, parentheses back, plus 65. Then we will unhighlight this y1, this equal sign, so that the graphing calculator won't graph this y1. Then go to window. Your x minimum will be negative 90. That is a period. Maximum will be 90. Scale will be 90 divided by 4. And y minimum, you will get negative 950. Maximum is 950. Scale, let's do 100. Then go to graph. But if we want to get a more clear graph, we need to change this value for y-axis. Let's go back to this window. So for y minimum, let's change into negative 95 times 3. For y maximum, we will do 95 times 3. Then for the y scale, 285 divided by 10, you will get 28.5. Let's make it a 30 for y scale. Let's draw the graph. This graph is more clear. Let's go to next trig function. F of x equals negative 30 cosecant 4 times x minus pi over 5 plus 65. First of all, we need to figure out the period. That is 2 pi over 4. It's pi over 2. Normally for x minimum, we will put a negative p. That is a negative pi over 2. For maximum, let's do p. So you have a pi over 2. For x scale, we will do p over 4. Pi over 2, then divided by 4. Complex fraction, that is pi over 8. So you will get pi over 8. For y minimum, y maximum, we're still using these two numbers. You can do 65 plus 30, 95. You can multiply by 2, multiply by 3, or multiply by 5, or multiply by 10. It's really up to you. Let's do multiply by 3 this time. Let's do negative 95 times 3, positive 95 times 3. Since your graphing calculator, we don't have a cosecant function. So we need to change this into sine function. You will have a negative 30 times 1 over sine 4 times x minus pi over 5, then plus 65. This you will go to y3, and we will put y4 equals negative 30 times 1 over y3 and plus 65. First of all, you need to change this mode into radian. Then go to y equals. This time, let's go to y3. We will put a sine 4 times parentheses x minus pi divided by 5. Then for the y4, we will put negative 30 times parentheses 1 divided by y3. So go to alpha trace. Get y3. Then parentheses back plus 65. I need to unhighlight this y2 and y3. For the window, x minimum will be negative pi divided by 2. For maximum, you will do pi divided by 2. For x scale, it will be pi divided by 8. For y minimum, y maximum, it will be negative 95 times 3. For y maximum, we will do 95 times 3. Y scale, 285 divided by 10 will be 28.5. So we will change into 30. Then graph. This is a very nice graph for cosecant function.